Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Black Brush Beauty by Indy. I am so excited to be here today, guys. Wow, it's a beautiful day, I must tell you. Beautiful sunshine and all. I just hope wherever you are, you're keeping safe. Please keep safe. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes, right? All right, so I do my thing a little bit different. Everyone, do their thing a little bit different. So for today, I'll be showing you how I get these messy brush clean and all. So guys, you can stay tuned to my channel to see more. So remember to subscribe, click that notification bell, like, share, leave your comments below. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Indy. All right, so I already set the work area, the table that I'm going to show my demonstration. All right guys, so remember this is a demonstration of how I do my daily cleansing of my brushes, right? I'm only going to do 4 brushes for today. I'm going to actually show you how I do it. So I don't normally cleanse them in the bowl like this, but just because of demonstration purposes, I do it this way. However, when I am doing it under the pipe also, I do have a bowl with water, with soap and olive oil in there, right? And I normally wash my brushes in there, and then I do a second rinse and a third rinse, right? So for today, I'm using my foaming facial cleanser, right, as my soap, right? So I'm gonna put like 3 squeezes. And for the olive oil, so I use my olive oil. Everyone does things different, right? So I use my olive oil just to add a little moisture to the brush, so once I'm finished it is soft and it's not dry and all of that. So I use my olive oil just a little bit in there. Okay, so I'm gonna start. So my 4 brushes for today, and I also have my hand towel. So my hand towel is what I use to pat off the water once I'm finished. And once I'm finished washing all my brushes, I normally put them outside in the sun. Sorry. Alright, so my first brush. So this water has in the facial cleanser, right? Right, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Alright, so that's 2 pumps, right? I know that they do have the makeup brush cleaner, however I improvise sometimes when I don't have it. I improvise and I use this, and it works really well for me, right? And the brush, you can wash it. I normally use my, so let me show you guys. I normally use my makeup. So this comes with my brushes, and this is what I use to clean my makeup, but because of the small space, I didn't really want to use it, but I'll definitely do a demonstration on it for you to see how it works. So my second water, so this would be my second rinse, right? And then my third rinse, right? Let that drip, and then I tap. I'm going to put this away. Alright, so this is my second makeup brush. Normally I use you can use your palm to write, so I'm going to demonstrate just in a bit when you use your palm what you can do. A lot of persons do it that way too. All right, so my second wash. Great. Right, and then my third. Good. Alrighty. So I'm going to go ahead and dry this. See how clean it is. Alright, so what I would normally do is I would add my foaming cleanser to this, and once it's wet you just rub the brush against here and it will remove the dirt. So this is when it's extra dirty, but for me, when it's not excessively dirty, what I do, I just follow the simple procedure that I'm doing now. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. Alrighty. Dry. Alright, so what I did, I ensured that I got this one that has a lot of makeup on it. So this is my last brush. I'm gonna show you, right? Because this one is really dirty, so I saved it for last. This one I saved it for last. Alright, so normally what I would do when I'm using my palm, right, is that I put the olive oil, a little bit of my olive oil and a little bit of my foaming soap, and I'll just rub it against my hands like this, against my palm rather, like this. I'll just rub it and then I'll just rinse it, right? But for today, as I said, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to do it in a bowl. So let's go. Save this one for last. Just add a little bit more. Alright, so guys, so I can rub it against my palm like this. Right, I can rub it against it, right. So this one, it's really dirty. It has a lot of makeup. Right, a lot. So sometimes it takes a little time. So I'm getting there. Okay, so this now we would use it like this, but I use it only sometimes. So like for this now that is taking so long to remove, I would use this. And I'm still getting the same thing. Alright, I don't want to damage my brush. Right. So a little bit. So I got it to this level. Okay, so I'm going to pop that off. I'm going to dry. Normally, when my brush this is it. So this is how I wash it, right? For most times. Alright, so what I'll do is that normally when it still has makeup on it, I'll go back over, right? And rewash. So I'll just go ahead, I'll put more soap and I'll just rub it on my palm. Because you want to get rid of that. Right. So I'll just do this. Guys, I mean, my room, I don't even want to create a mess. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so I'm going to rinse this. See all of that, right? Okay, so need to give that a little rinse. To drain that, and I'm going to give it a last rinse. So there you go. Here we are. Good. So it's clean and better, right? So here they are. All the brushes. I think I need to give this one a little bit more rub. Still look a little bit messy, but here they are. Right, so let me just go for this one. Okay. Better. Alright, so there you go. All better and clean. Please don't rub your brush too hard, guys, because right now look like I rubbed this one too much. Seems as if I rubbed this one too much, but once it's dry, it'll go back to where it was, hopefully. Alright, so guys, that was my demonstration. So remember, I use my cleanser, my facial cleanser. I use a little olive oil. So I use my 3 bowls. But once you're going to do it under the top, then you can always use a bowl for your foaming cleanser and for your olive oil, right? And I always do a second and a third rinse, a first rinse and a second rinse, right? And then once I'm finished, I just run the tap water over the entire thing for the day. Like once I'm finished, I just go ahead and just run the tap water over everything, right? And then I just sun dry, put it in the sun and I dry. But remember to pat off the excess water before you actually put it in the sun, if where you are you have the access to the sun, right? You can do that. So that's it, guys. So that's it. So I hope you learned something new today. It was really good being here with you today, guys. Thank you very much for joining me once more, right? And I'm looking forward to making more videos with you guys, for you guys. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Please remember to subscribe, click that notification bell, like, share, and leave your comments below. Bye guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.